Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to change the default search from Bing to Google in Microsoft Edge browser. So here you can see I am in my Edge browser, and if I just go and search for something, just search Mars, and here you can see it's searching in Microsoft Bing, not searching in Google. So let's see how we can change this to Google. So for this, to the rightmost top you'll be having this three dots icon. Click that, go to settings, and now in settings to the left you'll be having this privacy, search and services. Click here, and you need to scroll down to the very last, and you'll be having this address bar and search. Click here, and by default you can see it's in the Bing. Click this drop down and change it to Google. So that's it. And now if I go to the very same address bar, and if I search for something else, and this time we'll be getting a Google search done and not a Bing search. So we have successfully changed it, and I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.